Hello everybody, it's Mr. Richards here. All the staff at the school hope you and your families are all well and keeping safe at the moment. Here's a little video to show you how we would like you to try and complete some of the tasks that we set online over the next coming days if possible. You'll need to log in to Hub as you would normally do and open J2E. Click on the menu and then open J2E from that menu list. Once you've opened J2 Launch, you need to go in to My Files. Within My Files, you'll have the option to go into your shared files. This is where you will find any work that has been shared with you for you to complete at home. You'll have a folder for work that has been shared with you personally, a folder which will contain work that has been shared with the whole school, and then a folder for work that has been shared with your class. This is the folder that you will need to go into to open any work that has been shared with you. Within here, you will have a gwaith cartref or a homework folder, work from home. Within there from now on, you will see that every worksheet has been uploaded as a PDF rather than a Word document. Normally, you would open the PDF by clicking on the symbol here. But from now on, we'd rather you would click on the I and then click on Use in J2E. This will then open the worksheet up in J2E for you to be able to edit the worksheet and save it in My Files. Now, in order for you to edit the sheet, you need to add text or colour to the worksheet. To do that, you will see here on the right-hand side the letter A, which will allow you to add text, and you'll see a pencil symbol for you to be able to add colour to the worksheet. So to add text, you will click on the A. You will click on the area that you would like to write in, write your answer, and then you are done. After checking your work, if you realise you've made a mistake, that's not a problem. Just select the A again, click back on the word or the number that you've written, delete the mistake, and then rewrite your answer. On some worksheets, you might need to colour areas to complete the task. In order to do that, click on the pencil, and this opens the pencil options on the right-hand side here. You can change the size of the pencil and the colour by selecting from the colour palette on the right-hand side. Click on the size that you'd like to use, select a colour that you'd like to use, go back over to the worksheet, and then click and drag on the area that you would like to colour to complete the question. Once you've completed the worksheet and checked all of your answers, you will then need to save the work in your My Files area. To do that, click on the Save symbol, which is this symbol here, and at the moment you'll see that there's a little star next to the symbol. That means that the work that is currently on the screen has not been saved. Click on the Save symbol, give your work an appropriate name. I'll call this one Practice 1, and then click on Save. That work is now being uploaded into My Files, and you'll notice on the tab here that the name that I wrote, Practice 1, has now appeared here. You will obviously have to use an appropriate name to match the work that you have been doing. Once you've completed all of that, close the tab, go back into My Files, and drag that worksheet into your Work from Home folder. Your teacher can automatically see everything that you put into that folder, so you don't need to share that work with them as well. Within there, your teacher can then open your work, have a look at what you've done, and then respond using the learning discussion speech bubble. I hope this video has been of some help to you. Enjoy some of the tasks and stay safe.